Hi, I'm Dr. Kari-Lee Smith, and I'm here to give you an interesting Jamaican language fact. Even though Jamaica does not recognize Patois as a language unto itself, international agencies hire Jamaican language interpreters to help people across the world understand Patois. So sometimes you might be watching a movie and you see the subtitles, or people go to court and they only speak Patois and the lawyers and other people don't understand the language. They need somebody to interpret the language, or sometimes it's something written and they need somebody to translate, or there are many reasons why people around the world need Jamaican language interpreters. To become a language interpreter, you have to take a test. You have to take a test in English and in a Patois. The test consists of an essay, a reading comprehension portion, and an oral portion. You have to chat Patois to somebody who is an examiner who chat Patois too. I have been an interpreter for 10 years and I also grade the exams, and it is quite a rewarding experience because I get to bring Patois with me everywhere I go and spread it throughout the world. To find more information on this, contact me on LinkedIn, KM Smith EDD. Again, that's KM Smith EDD on LinkedIn.